हेलो दोस्तों एंड व्यूअर्स, सेल्पिप एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। नया साल मुबारक हो। विश यू ऑल अ हैप्पी एंड अ प्रॉस्परस न्यू ईयर। मैं थोड़े दिन छुट्टी में था, इसीलिए मैंने कोई वीडियोस अपलोड नहीं किए। आज हम देखने वाले हैं सेल्पिप राइटिंग टास्क 1 एंड सेल्पिप राइटिंग टास्क 2। एनीवे, लेट्स सी व्हाट वी हैव हियर। तो रिसेंटली मैंने ये एक स्टूडेंट के साथ लिखा था। तो कभी भी मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि CLB 9 या 10 मटेरियल आपके लिए लेकर के आऊं। चलिए देखते हैं टास्क 1 में क्या है। राइट एन ईमेल टू बैंक मैनेजर, सेल्पिप email writing 150 to 200 words. Read the following information. You're interested in starting your business. Write a letter to the bank manager in about 150 to 200 words. Your email should do the following things. Explain what kind of business you want to start. Tell him about how much money is required. Ask him for the information about loan. All right, just before I get started, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Also comment below. This way I'll be able to come up with more such videos in the future for you. All right, dear manager, I'm writing to inquire about a business loan for the sake of starting a new venture. Furthermore, it is an edtech company that I wish to start, which requires a meager amount of rupees 20 lakhs. Firstly, I would like to give you a roadmap of my business idea. Since I'm into teaching profession, I require an office in a complex area, and to establish it, I require this amount. Moreover, I require a minimum staff member of 5 people initially, including myself, and take care of the initial expenditures. I have a vast experience of 10 years in this education industry, and I know the nitty-gritty of this profession. Secondly, I'm sure of breaking even in 6 months to 1 year and will be in a position to pay all the loan amount within the stipulated time. I assure you that there will be no deviances in the repayment of the EMIs. Finally, I will also be in a position to foreclose the loan if necessary. I hope for a response from you and help me in establishing my business. Yours sincerely, Arun Rahul. So I wrote it along with a student of mine who is in Toronto. Okay, task 2. Brain drain survey CELPIP writing 150 to 200 words. Read the following information. Brain drain survey. You're living in a developing country from where people are moving to developed countries. Local government department is conducting a survey to understand the problem. The department has sent out an opinion survey to see what residents feel about the given options. Option A, rich countries are stealing professionals from poor countries. Option B, this is only part of a natural movement of professionals around the world. So I have chosen option B. Individuals have been immigrating to advanced nations from time immemorial in search of better opportunities. However, I opine that this is only part of the natural process, and skilled workers move to other countries in search of realizing their dreams. To begin with, rich states are not stealing professionals from poorer nations. For instance, skilled technicians are only moving out because of higher pay packages, subsidized hospital facilities, better schooling for their children, and good sanitation. Furthermore, the state-of-the-art facilities are missing in developed countries and the competitions are very high. On the flip side, the standard of living is at par in developed nations and people move for reasons beyond their expectations. For example, onshore salaries of tech savvies are competitively high compared to offshore counterparts. Moreover, people prefer to buy expensive things in hire purchase by paying monthly installments in advanced nations. Finally, the brain drain is taking place also due to the fact that individuals have an equal opportunity abroad. In conclusion, I believe option A is appropriate, and developed nations are just helping people to make informed decisions in their lives. Nevertheless, any decision taken by the local government department will be a welcome gesture according to the outcome of the survey. आपने देखा होगा मेरे राइटिंग्स में हर बार एक पैटर्न रहता है। उस पैटर्न को आप फॉलो करेंगे तो आराम से आपका CLB9 एंड CLB10 आ जाएगा। ज़्यादा आपको परेशानी लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। थोड़ा बहुत वोकैबुलरी जो है आप रेफर करेंगे ऑनलाइन से तो आराम से ऐसे राइटिंग आप भी लिख सकते हैं। Believe me. So viewers, I hope you all enjoyed this video. मैं और भी वीडियोस के साथ आपके सामने हाजिर होऊंगा। तब तक के लिए this is Sridhar signing off from CELPIP Academy. See you on the other side. Thanks for watching.